And indeed, the essence of the debate was to make a ruling who is fit to hold that seat. And if that seat is made to save the people of Africa, let us give a person who serves the seat to take it. Let us not try to ourselves, just because it's our son, wherever. If we are really Pan-Africans, that guy from Djibouti, I voted him in, and I want to urge them, our President, Honorable Dr. William Samuel Ruto, on 15th February 2025, I want to see you voting in MAHMOUD and YOUSSOUF. Without the fear or doubt, the people of Africa have worked all along since 1963, when AU was formed by the likes of Kwame Nkrumah, Mwalimu Julius Nyerere, whose agenda was to unite Africa and ensure there is conflict resolution and equal distribution of resources in our continent. Today, we are sending our son because of blockage, political conmanship in our country. Then we are here proud, we are Pan-Africanism. It's a big lie in our country. As I'm standing here today, I will not cheat you that if our son here, who we have sent to AU, wins that seat, he will do as we expect. That's a big lie.
Separate emotions from discussion.
Number two, I want to talk about the issues affecting the people of Kenya. Because AU will not save you, will not save me. What will save you is our facilities, our infrastructure as a nation. Today, our President, Dr. William Samuel Ruto, is on record telling us SHA is working 100%. And it is not. Let us put psychophancy aside when we come with life matters. Today, as we are speaking here, our country, people are suffering from hunger. People are dying from insecurity. People are dying because of poor education. People are becoming psychopaths because they are not informed. Today, our nation is suffering because we are lacking knowledge about what's going on in our nation. And I want to urge my brothers and sisters in this country, let us stop being puppets, because today as we are speaking, our parliament is dying off. Our parliament is not independent. Our parliament cannot save the people of Kenya. Today as we are speaking, our judiciary is heading where we never expected. Today as we are speaking, nobody we can call opposition leader in this country. We the people of Kenya must stand as we have stood to defend our nation, to defend our airport, which was almost auctioned. Today we must stand. We cannot allow our president to stand and tell us all youths to come so that he can auction them to other countries as slaves. It is very unfair. And yet as a country, we have resources which we can put together as a nation and get enough for everyone. Our resources are being squandered. Our resources are being misappropriated by even people we don't know in our country. And today here, I want to join the people of Kenya in supporting the one man, the bulldozer, the incoming president of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency, Daktari Fred Okego Matiang'i, ndani ya nyumba. Asante sana Wakenya ndugu zangu.